Ever wondered how to become a member of HyperDAO? We've got a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial just for you. Step 1. Visit HyperGPT's space on Snapshot and connect your wallet. Make sure that you have enough HGPT tokens to be eligible to vote. Step 2. Choose the active proposal. New proposals are uploaded daily at 7 a.m. UTC. To secure your roles, make sure to cast your votes on the active proposals. Step 3. Cast your vote to get a role. Voting on proposals is a crucial part of the HyperDAO experience. To win a role within the community, make sure you have sufficient HGPT tokens in your wallet to vote. Cast your vote on the one you believe aligns best with the project's objectives and vision. Step 4. Confirm your vote. After casting your vote, a prompt message will appear displaying your answer, the number of snapshots, and your voting power. To proceed to the next step, simply confirm the provided details. Step 5. Validate your role on guild.xyz. Go to Guild's website and connect your wallet again. Step 6. Check your HyperDAO role details. Verify if you've got the appropriate role based on your HGPT token holdings. Step 7. Join the HyperGPT Discord server and check your role. And that's it. A round of applause for you. By joining HyperDAO, not only do you get exclusive perks, but also a chance to shape the future of AI. Be a HyperDAO member now